No, it's your turn.
You ready?
Yeah. Can't see. I can't see. It's the light. I can't
Cookie.
see.
Cookie.
How many times do I tell you? I can't see because the light is on here. That means it's.
Can you see now?
Huh?
Okay. So, my name is Little Bear, and I like playing with Shayla Bear and Kimmy Bear, and I like the rope swing, and I like to play hide and seek, and we like to tell Cookie to sit, and we like to Cookie, come here, Kim. Okay, yeah, and we Cookie.
How Cookie? How many times do I tell
And we
you?
like to play tag and hide and seek
And soccer.
and soccer, and we like to play on the rope swing and catch the ball and kick the ball, right? Okay, now we have to bow. Ready? 1, 2, 3, bow, bow. You gotta bow.
Come on.
Yay!